The air conditioner of the special motorcycle is not allowed to be compressed. Fans from out of town drove Chiba Dynamics and asked Brother Long to replace the air conditioner compressor. Master, where did you drive from? From Liaojing province. Really? How did you find us? Do you know how many kilometers he has traveled? More than 70,000 kilometers. He just can't cure the cold. Are there any other problems now? Everything else is fine. Open the front trunk. Disconnect the negative terminal of the small battery and pull out the maintenance switch. Drain the refrigerant. Remove the water guide channel. Remove the coolant water bottle. Unplug the high voltage plug and disconnect the ground wire. Take out the compressor and disassemble the insulation and shock absorbing casing. Remove the compressor fixing bracket and replace with a new compressor. Remove the cooling fan of the water tank and clean it. Remove the cooling pipes and clean them. At the same time, use air conditioning cleaning agent to clean the air conditioning pipes and restore them. Reinstall the compressor, connect the pipes, restore the water tank, reinstall the kettle, restore the front bumper, and finally vacuum, add cold coal, and restore the front trunk.